In full enlightenment, the spiritual dimension is actually not something distinct from the physical world. It is not located in some other realm or dimension, regardless of where that dimension lies in relation to the world, beneath it, within it, above it, throughout it, or what have you. Instead, by its very nature, the physical world is discovered to already be a spiritual dimension. You don't need to find some other dimension or to add another dimension to the world for it to be spiritual. You simply need to see the world itself as it actually is, and to recognize the true nature of the things within it as they really are. So in full enlightenment, you discover that the spiritual dimension you seek is already what the world itself is, when the true nature of the world is properly understood. In this way, you don't exactly encounter a spiritual dimension in the world, but you come to experience it as the world. You realize that it is what the world, yourself, and all things already truly are.